Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC privacy and security settings. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Microsoft tracking from your system or your PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your start. Right click on your start and go ahead and make sure you click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to privacy and security. On getting to privacy and security, next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on diagnostics and feedback. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on delete diagnostic data. And this is going to pump up right here. Once you delete your data here, we start removing copies from our system. And if you have a Microsoft account, you might have additional diagnostic data on you can delete on the privacy dashboard. Go ahead and hit on delete right here. Just like so. Then it will be giving you clear diagnostic data that Microsoft has collected about this device. So it's going to give you the date and the time at which Microsoft account have been collecting your data so far. So what you need to do is to go ahead and simply click. And all data that Microsoft have installed about your devices and PC is going to be completely deleted from the date. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about privacy and security setting on your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.